Mistplay achievements can fail to unlock when the app does not properly detect your game progress, so the first thing to check is whether Mistplay is actually tracking the game. By the end, you'll know the main tracking checks to make, what can prevent an achievement from registering, and what to do if the reward still does not appear. Start by opening the game from Mistplay itself. Mistplay says games need to be launched through the app for playtime and reward tracking to work correctly. If you normally open the game from your phone's home screen, close it, and launch it again from Mistplay. Next, check whether Mistplay is recording your gameplay. On Android, Mistplay says you should see a IHE recording game time notification when tracking is active. If you do not see it, select the notification and toggle the recording setting off and back on before reopening the game. There is another useful check. After launching the game, look for the GIG Welcome Back notification. Mistplay says this notification confirms that the app is monitoring your playtime. If it does not appear, the achievement may not be receiving the gameplay data it needs. Now, check your phone settings. Mistplay says, on power. Savern can interfere with background processes used for tracking, so disable it while testing. Also check a data Savern, and make sure Mistplay is allowed to use unrestricted data. On supported Android devices, verify that Mistplay has the required usage access and screen overlay permissions. If tracking is working, but the achievement still does not unlock, check the exact requirement inside the game offer. An achievement can require a particular level, action, or checkpoint, rather than simply spending more time in the game. Also check whether you have reached Mistplay's earning limits for that game. Mistplay says users stop earning units from an individual game after 8 ATTU hours of play in a single day check, and rewards from that game stop after reaching key checkpoint 20 change. Those limits can affect what you see in the reward system. If everything looks correct but the achievement remains locked, do not keep repeating the same task without checking the offer details. Take screenshots of the achievement requirement, your current progress, and the missing reward, then contact Mistplay support through the app. The key checks are simple. Launch the game through Mistplay, confirm that tracking is active, and verify the achievement's exact requirement. Try those steps first, before reinstalling the game. If the achievement still does not register, send Mistplay support the screenshots so they can check the missing progress. If this fixed your Mistplay achievement issue, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.